David Lee, Jamaican free diving pioneer. David Lee is a Jamaican-born freediver, underwater photographer, and ocean explorer, whose life has been shaped by the sea. Growing up in Port Antonio, Jamaica, David learned to swim and dive at an early age. His connection to the ocean ran deep. His mother owned one of the Caribbean's most respected dive shops. David would go on to become a pioneer in unassisted constant ballast freediving, a discipline where the diver descends and ascends on a single breath, without fins or breathing equipment. In 2001, he set his first official world record, diving 45 meters 147 feet on a single breath. He later pushed even deeper, reaching depths of up to 65 meters in international competition. A 5-time world record holder, David used this mastery of breath and stillness to develop a rare perspective beneath the surface. Today, he is an acclaimed underwater photographer and cinematographer, blending more than 40 years of ocean immersion with a cinematic eye to reveal the beauty and fragility of marine ecosystems.